Cookie Factory. I'm Kevin, and we are making cookies for our Accounting 303 class, which is Cost and Managerial Accounting. The purpose is to kind of walk you through looking at budgets and the different costs that go into like making a product. So
yeah, we've learned it in class so far, and we're actually applying it in this project.
So we are making chocolate chip cookies today because they're delicious and everyone loves them. It looked at least decently simple. We picked it off of what's it, Food Network website? Yeah, off the Food Network website when we searched for a simple chocolate chip cookie recipe. 2 racks, preheat the oven. Do we know which oven we're using?
Huh?
1 batch of flour is 2 1/4 cups. That's 2. Baking soda was 1 teaspoon. That works. Teaspoon baking soda and then teaspoon salts.
Is there anything you guys need?
Can we get like a spatula or not a spatula? One of the mixing things. I don't know what those are called. Yeah, I'm not very professional. I am a chef after all. And 1 teaspoon salt. It says whisk that together, so I don't know, do we want to use this one for that, or do we just want to beat it with this thing? What's next? Butter and 2 sugars. Granulated sugar, we need 2/3 of a cup, so that's 2 of these.
You're gonna fill up 1/2 cup and a 1/4 cup?
Yeah,
Right.
that one, the 1/4 cup one. And stick in a 1/2 of butter. Eggs 1 at a time. Beneath.
Flour, and then the chocolate chips. And no milk? Do we need milk?
Oh crap, I think we did this wrong. Okay, so we were supposed to do that separately from, that's weird. All right, so it wanted us to do the butter and sugars in here on their own with the flour separately. Why? We're working on it. And that's supposed to go until like about 4 minutes, it said, till it's light and fluffy. 2 eggs per batch, yeah. All right, add the other one.
What are we doing?
Adding in the flour. That says 12 ounces of chocolate chip. So it says 12 heaping tablespoons, so we could probably put more than that on each rack though, so we should be good. We are almost ready to put everything in the oven. We've got half of them on the tray, and then we're putting the other batch together now. And when that's done, we'll put them on the other tray and get them all tossed in. I think that once we figured out that we were doing it wrong, which was kind of a big issue, it went really smoothly after that. The second batch definitely went a lot faster than the first because everyone watched as we did the first, and then we were able to do the second pretty quickly right after that. One thing is there's a lot more cost than I originally thought going into each item. And just in addition to the actual materials cost, it actually does cost a lot more to produce a product than originally thought. And that's one thing I took out of taken out of the class so far. This was both a good learning thing and also a lot of fun to actually just make a bunch of cookies for class. It's really cool how you can have accounting students from DePaul be filmed by Columbia students in a Robert Morris kitchen for 2 different classes and 3 different universities all in one spot in the city.